Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. இன்னைக்கு நாம பார்க்க போகிறது one of the most successful story of Indian stock market, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. We are going to learn how he turned 5,000 rupees to massive 20,000 crores. அதை பற்றி தான் இன்றைக்கி நம்ம வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி just in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. பக்கத்திலே பெல் ஐக்கானும் இருக்குது, அதையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா you should be able to view my videos. Now let's go into the story of Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Rakesh is also known as the king of Indian stock market. அவருடைய சக்ஸஸை பார்த்திங்கன்னா it's been inspired by millions of people. அது மட்டும் இல்லை, அவருடைய இந்த அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்டை இன்றைக்கும் கேஸ் ஸ்டடியாக வச்சு it's been taught in every business school. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has been selected as 61st rank by Forbes in the year 2018. அது மட்டும் இல்லை, ராகேஷ் வந்துட்டு ஒரு இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஷியல் ஃபேமிலியிலேருந்து வரல. அன்லைக் டாடா ஆர் பிர்லா, he made all of it on its own. He is also known as self-made billionaire. In India, we call him as Warren Buffett of India. இப்போ இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகுது what is that we can learn from his success. Before we go in, let's first see how his childhood was, which will help us to understand what made him to be in the stock market. He was born in the year 1965. He was from a middle class family. His father was an income tax officer and his mother was a housewife. His father நிறைய ஸ்டாக் மார்க்கெட்டில் அவருக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருந்தது, பட் he was not an active trader. Whereas he always used to interact with his friends. ஸோ அந்த டைமில் மிஸ்டர் ராகேஷ் ஜுன்ஜுன்வாலா வாஸ் லிசனிங் டு ஹிஸ் ஃபாதர் என்னென்ன கான்வர்சேஷன் பண்ணுறாங்க ஸ்டாக்ஸை பற்றி அப்படின்ட்டுன்னு ரொம்ப டீட்டெயில்டாக அவர் அதை கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தார். ஒன் டே ஆல் ஆஃப் அ சடன் ஒரு க்யூரியாசிட்டியில் ராகேஷ் அப்ரோச்ட் ஹிஸ் ஃபாதர் ஆஸ்கிங் வாட் இஸ் தட் ஸ்டாக் ஃப்ளக்சுவேட்ஸ் ஆர் ஹவு இஸ் தட் த ஸ்டாக் ஃப்ளக்சுவேட்ஸ் ஆன் அ டெய்லி பேசிஸ். ஹிஸ் ஃபாதர் வாஸ் சர்ப்ரைஸ்ட். How can a 9-year-old kid ask a question of stock fluctuation? ஆனாலும் ஒரு 9-year kidக்கு என்ன ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் பண்ணுமோ அவர் சிம்பிளாக ஒரு ஆன்சர் கொடுத்துட்டு போனார். Have a watch on the news. There is a stock called Gwalior Ragan. If there is a news about that stock, then there will be a stock fluctuation happening tomorrow. அந்த ஒரு இன்ட்டு கொடுத்துட்டு he just left the place. By listening to the news, he got fascinated to stock market and he learned a lot because that news actually has helped him to understand that it plays a very important role in any stock market. The only suggestion that his father was, you be into whatever you wish to, but be professionally a qualified person. So he has completed his chartered accountant in the year 1985. Once he completed his chartered accountant, he approached his father stating, I want to be in the stock market business. அவரோட அப்பா ஒன்று தான் சொன்னார், ஐ வில் நாட் கிவ் யூ எனி மணி, ரேதர் நீ உன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் யாரையும் எந்த மணியும் நீ கேட்கக்கூடாது அப்படிங்கிற ஒரே கண்டிஷன் தான் அவரோட ஃபாதர் அவருக்கு கொடுத்தது. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் த கரண்ட் சிச்சுவேஷன், he moved to the biggest challenge on how to make money. So he shifted to the financial capital of India, to Mumbai with his brother. He just had 5,000 rupees in his account. Luckily, he was just thinking through on how to make money further. Because of his brother, he got his first client. She gave him 2,50,000. Yana, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala was a chartered accountant, trusting that you will have to give me some returns to this. So on the condition order, he took a challenge of reinvesting this 2,50,000, and he was lucky enough to get one more client with the help of his brother, wherein he invested 5 lakh rupees. So now in total he had 7,50,000 rupees. In 1985, 7,50,000 is almost equivalent to 30 to 40 lakhs of rupees. Here comes the challenge. Now he has crossed the first hurdle, crossing by collecting the money. Now he was more keen into trading opportunities in the market. The first jackpot that has hit him was He invested in Tata Steel for rupees 43 rupees. Within just 3 months, it has touched close to 143 rupees. That is, because of this particular investments, his net worth has grown from 5,000 rupees to 50 lakhs rupees in 1989. The turning point was in 1989, Sesa Govangro ஒரு ஸ்டாக் இருந்தது that is now been owned by Vedanta Group. The price continually depressed. It went to 23 to 24 rupees. It is also called an undervalued stock. Generally at this time, யாரும் அந்த ஸ்டாக்ல இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. But Rakesh Jhunjhunwala had a very good knowledge on the stock investment pattern. So எவ்வளோக்கு கம்மி ஆகுதோ அந்த ரேட்டில் he started accumulating. He accumulated at an average of 23-24 rupees. He invested almost 1 crore rupees. Within a short span of time, that has crossed almost 3 to 4 times of what the money he has invested. That has helped him to grow from 50 lakhs rupees to 2.5 crores in the same year of 1989. The most turning point was in 1989. VP Singh government வந்து finance budget announce பண்ணும்போது Indian people expected that இந்த பர்டிகுலர் பட்ஜெட் பிஸ்னஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியாக இருக்காது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எல்லாருமே ஸ்டாக்ஸ்லேருந்து காசு எடுக்க ஆரம்பித்தாங்க. ஸோ பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டாக் ப்ரைஸ் எல்லாமே டிப் ஆச்சு, அண்டர் வேல்யூ ஆச்சு. டியூரிங் தட் சுச்சுவேஷன் ராகேஷ் ஃபெல்ட் விபி சிங் இஸ் ஃப்ரம் அ பிஸ்னஸ் ஃபேமிலி, ஸோ யூ வுட் டெஃபினெட்லி டூ திஸ் ஃபினான்ஷியல் பட்ஜெட் இன் ஃபேவர் ஆஃப் பிஸ்னஸ் பீப்புள்னு சொல்லிட்டு எவ்வளோக்கு ரேட்டு கம்மியாக ஆச்சோ இட்ல he started accumulating it. And yes, he was right. Once the budget was announced, the stock market turned to a positive note because the budget that he made was very business friendly. Because of that, his net worth grown from 2.5 crores in 1989 to 50 crores in 1990. This can be taken only if you have the guts and the glory to achieve in what you want to. Here goes the lesson. Now what he did? He stopped trading. Instead, he started investing his hard-earned money. இதுதான் மிஸ்டர் ராகேஷ் ஜுன்ஜுன்வாலாவுடைய trading secret. Now what has he done? Post that, he started an enterprise called Rare Enterprises, which is nothing but first 2 letter of Rakesh and his wife named Rekha. First 2 letteryum எடுத்துட்டு Rare Enterprises he just started it. And he completely moved out of trading and started investing his money. Notably, the investments that he made in CRISIL, Praj, Titan and Lupin, all these investments have given him a very huge income that has converted the 50 crores that he had in 1990 to 20,000 crores in 2018. There is also a loss that Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has made it, like in MRVL, DHFL and Geojit BNP Paribas. His philosophy was very simple. Some stock will underperform and some will outperform. அதனால தான் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லாஸ் ஆகும்போது கூட he just took it as short term volatility market will always be there and he was not scared of it. That is because in every stock he invested, he analyzed the fundamental of the every stock. That is more important before you make or before you choose any stock for investments. He believed India had a very good growth story. Every potential investors will make money over a long period of time. That was the success of his mantra. The second success story that we have gone through here is என்னதான் நம்ம ஸ்டாக் மார்க்கெட்டில் சம்பாதிச்சிருந்தாலும் at one point in time, after he made all the profits, he stopped trading and then he went on for investments. I think that is a true success story of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Hope you liked it. Before we end up, just in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. பக்கத்திலே bell icon இருக்கு. Please do support. Thank you.